Welcome back, everyone. Today, we have some amazing kitchen and home gadgets for you. Grab your favorites, and you'll find links to all the products in the description below. This gaming catchphrase electronic game is your ticket to non-stop laughs and high-energy fun. With fast-paced guessing rounds, it's perfect for parties, family nights, or road trips. Just split into 2 teams, pass the handheld game around, and guess the phrases before the timer runs out. The pressure's on. Designed for ages 12 and up, it's an absolute crowd pleaser that brings adults, teens, and kids together. Whether you're chilling at home or traveling, this portable game keeps everyone on their toes and the good vibes rolling. Get ready to play, pass, and win with Catchphrase. This simple houseware 2-tier bathroom organizer is the ultimate under-sink MVP. With a sleek white design, it features pull-out sliding drawers that make grabbing your essentials a total breeze. No more digging around in the back. The 2-tier setup maximizes vertical space, perfect for stashing everything from cleaning sprays to extra TP or skincare faves. Made with sturdy, rust-resistant material, it's built to last and keeps your bathroom looking clean, chic, and organized. Whether you're tight on space or just love that minimalist vibe, this organizer's got your back. This stainless steel insulated water bottle is way more than just a bottle, it's your ultimate multitasking sidekick. With a 32 ounces capacity, it keeps your drinks icy cold or piping hot for hours, thanks to its double-wall vacuum insulation. But here's where it gets genius. It's got a hidden storage compartment perfect for pills, dog treats, snacks, keys, cash, or those little valuables you always scramble to stash. Whether you're at the gym, on a hike, or just commuting, this sleek metal flask has your hydration and your secret stash covered. Stay refreshed and keep your essentials close all in one slick package. This 15-piece kitchen knife set is a total game changer for your countertop. It's got everything: chef's knife, bread knife, utility knife, paring knife, 6 steak knives, kitchen shears, and even a sharpening block that keeps your blades razor sharp without you lifting a finger. The anti-slip handles give you serious control, and yep, they're dishwasher safe because nobody's got time for hand washing. With sleek black vibes and pro-level performance, this set keeps your prep work smooth, sharp, and totally stress-free. Slice, dice, and impress every time you cook. This heavy-duty cast iron peeler is your ultimate apple MVP, ready to peel, core, and slice like a total champ. Built tough with stainless steel blades, it handles apples and even potatoes. Whether you're whipping up a pie, crisp, or just snacking on fresh slices. The strong clamp base locks onto your counter, so no wobbles or slips, just smooth cranks and perfect cuts. It's old-school sturdy with a no-nonsense vibe, making prep work faster, easier, and honestly kinda fun. Bring on the apple pie magic. This 2-pack mesh bath toy organizer is every parent's dream for taming the tub chaos. With ultra-strong hooks and roomy net bags, it keeps baby and toddler toys high, dry, and mildew-free. It's not just for toys. Stash shampoo, sponges, or bath essentials and turn your shower into a neat little spa zone. The breathable mesh drains water fast, while the durable design holds up to all the splashing and grabbing little hands can throw at it. Bath time just got a whole lot cuter and cleaner. This set of 6 glass drink stirrers is here to upgrade your sipping game with a touch of class. Whether you're mixing cocktails at the bar, swirling coffee at brunch, or adding flair to mocktails, these reusable glass swizzle sticks bring the vibe. They're eco-friendly, durable, and crafted to handle everything from a gentle stir to a bold shake. Perfect for coffee bars, home parties, or fancy dinner setups, they're both functional and fabulous. Say hello to your new favorite cocktail accessories. Cheers to style and sustainability. This mug holder tree is the ultimate solution for your coffee bar organization. With 6 sturdy, spacious hooks, this rack easily holds your favorite mugs, keeping them neatly displayed and easy to access. The wood design with a rich brown finish adds a touch of elegance to any countertop or kitchen. The rack is durable, space-saving, and helps keep your mugs organized and within reach. It's perfect for those looking to declutter their kitchen while adding a stylish touch. Ideal for coffee lovers, this mug holder also doubles as a functional and decorative accessory. This solar cat outdoor statue is the perfect addition to any garden or patio. With its charming design, this delightful cat statue features a butterfly perched delicately on its back, adding a touch of whimsy to your outdoor space. The built-in solar light makes it even more magical, as it lights up at night, illuminating your yard or garden in a soft, inviting glow. Crafted for durability, this statue is weather-resistant and built to withstand the elements. Ideal for gardens, porches, or balconies, it also makes a thoughtful gift for loved ones, whether it's for a birthday or just to brighten someone's day. This electric kettle with infuser is your go-to tool for brewing the perfect cup of tea every time. With its 1.5-liter capacity, this kettle is perfect for family gatherings or solo tea sessions. It features a built-in infuser designed specifically for loose-leaf tea, so you can enjoy the full flavor of your favorite blends. The temperature control function allows you to select the ideal brewing temperature for different types of tea, ensuring each cup is brewed to perfection. Plus, with automatic shut-off for safety, you never have to worry about overheating. Whether you're making herbal teas, green tea, or black tea, this kettle has brewing programs to meet all your needs. This extra-large watermelon cutter makes cutting fruit a breeze. Featuring sharp stainless steel blades, it slices through watermelons, cantaloupes, honeydew, and even pineapples with ease. The oversized design ensures you can cut through large fruits effortlessly. Its ergonomic silicone handle gives you a comfortable, non-slip grip, keeping your hands safe and steady while slicing. Plus, the built-in fruit corer makes removing seeds quick and simple. Perfect for summer barbecues, family picnics, or any time you're craving fresh fruit. Slice and serve your favorite fruits with speed and precision, making cleanup easy, too. This portable pour-over coffee dripper is your go-to for brewing the perfect cup of coffee wherever you are. Whether you're camping, traveling, or just in need of a quick fix, this compact, reusable coffee maker has you covered. Designed with a sturdy 50-micron mesh filter, it ensures your coffee stays smooth without the hassle of paper filters. Its lightweight, collapsible design makes it easy to pack and take anywhere. Plus, the vibrant blue color adds a fun pop to your coffee routine. So, take this simple yet effective coffee maker on your next adventure and enjoy fresh coffee, anytime, anywhere. This large silicone ice cube tray makes chilling your drinks easier than ever. With two 2-inch ice cube trays in each pack, you'll get perfectly sized cubes for cocktails, whiskey, or any cold beverage. The flexible silicone design ensures an easy release every time, while the stackable lid keeps your ice fresh and prevents spills in the freezer, ensuring your ice is as pure as your drinks. Whether you're hosting a party or just enjoying a quiet night in, these trays are the ultimate kitchen essential for effortless, large ice cubes. And there you have it. Which gadget are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below.